Sa tanong na kung kamusta ako, okay, andito, naghahanap buhay.
As to the nagulat ka of your relief or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi nyo nahanap buhay. What do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ako sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app at nakakita ako na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya.
Sir, may offer daw sa inyong position.
Naki-happy birthday na rin ako.
Sir, may bagong posisyon na in-offer sa inyo.
Let's just wait for the official announcement kung meron man.
Ano po, pero sir, tatanggapin niyo kung meron?
Let's just wait. Masyado namang nauna ang karwahe dyan. Pag tatanggapin o hindi, wala pang ang announcement kung meron man.
Pero nakausap na po kayo ng presidente?
Executive privilege, pwede.
Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments mo?
I'll make that will be included in my statement in due time. Hindi sa ngayon.
Sir, anong pinag-usapan niyo ni Senator Laila? Ano po pinag-usapan niyo?
Ma'am, cake delivery po. Ang seriously speaking, when I was the chief PNP, Congressman De Lima was among the first visitors in my office. Nakita niyo naman yan, we published it. She visited me and we talk about things. So sa ngayon, I just reciprocated the gesture. I found out that it's her birthday today. Actually, alam ko matagal na. So I just really wanted to wish her well on her birthday. Kaya nagdala lang ako ng simple cake. Yun lang.
Ano pinag-usapan niyo, sir?
Happy birthday.
So you think beyond
Seryoso?
repair na yung relationship mo with the present group of officials under this administration, or are you still open to dialogue or to...
Uy, yung pag-premise yun ng question na beyond repair, para bang may nasira. I'm telling you, simula kahit nakahapon sa official statement ni Secretary John Vic, di ba? May nasira ba? Wala naman ah. It's all the President's choice, ang sabi niya. Which I support it.
in good terms kayo, sir.
Wala po
Of course. Of course we are.
Tumawag daw siya 5 beses, di nyo raw sinagot.
Sabi niya naman, di ba? Siya rin naman nagsabi na nasa dinner ako.